girl stared right into my camera. It was weird. The girl stared right into my camera.
Cool.
Ah, you're walking too fast.
Mine.
She walks really fast. You guys have to be careful.
I've noticed.
Like whenever we're out and about, I can't I have to speed it. It's her Disney walk.
I know. It's a Disney walk.
So just keep it going quick. It's as racist as fuck though. Allie, do you feel at home? Do you feel at home? It's very Italian here.
Yeah.
Boom, ba-dum, ba-dum. Who's talking to you? Who? Let me see. You guys actually have a new camera operator. I'm gonna wave at all y'all's. Welcome, welcome.
What are they waiting for?
This is William is over here. I don't know how he got to Japan. And two is Ellie. I don't know how she got to Japan either. No, you're not. All right. Look at all these people already waiting for some kind of a show. I don't know what show it is, but there's a show. Can you train me? Hold on.
Oh, the Hollow Tower Terror. Whatever it's called here. We gotta go on that.
Everybody knows it is cool to be here in Italy. I mean, there's the Venetian gondolas. I have no idea what's happening over there, but do you want to try it?
Pretty fast.
Exactly like you.
Shut up. Do that hoop thing.
Yes, I put you on there. How this? Still during your journey.
It's okay.
Yeah, let's train this.
More of our journey.
No! Allie killed it there. Ellie tried to make a train sound and it sucked. She went. It sounded like
It's like an owl train.
Yeah. An owl train.
Man, there's so many people already waiting in line for things that they don't even know.
We gotta go on the tower.
Allie again with her journey in Japan. This is Allie's journey in Japan videos.
I want to go to Woody's mouth.
That's the ride we go for.
You can't.
Apparently that's usually that has like a 3-hour line.
Let's close.
But there's no point in it because the ride is super long.
Oh my gosh, yes, I want to go on this.
No, it's pretty far. I wish I could go live with this, but I can't. Because it has to connect to my phone.
I wish I could go live with this too. That'd be really cool. It probably the battery drains like crazy.
Yeah.
So
You can't go live with that? You can go live with this, but I can't do the signal at the same time. There's a Wi-Fi signal from this. It would want to connect to Bluetooth.
Each camera has its own SD card.
Maybe I can go live. Let's see. Hi, my name is Shahir. What is your name?
Stand by.
Stand by.